Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing MailCloner. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the MailCloner AI software. After your successful registration, log into the dashboard with your login details. You'll be directed to this dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see the reports for the clicks you got for your campaign and the contacts you have. To create a campaign, click the Campaigns option next to Dashboard at the top. Here, you can check all the campaigns you have done along with their status. Use the Sort option to sort your campaigns according to the date, etc. There's also a search option to look for a particular campaign name. To create a fresh campaign, click the Create New button at the top. Now, enter the name of the campaign and click Continue. On this page, you'll be able to edit the template of the email. It comes pre-installed with 3 basic email templates for you. To add elements to the email, click Add Element. To insert items like links, headers, images, etc. After editing the template, just click Save to save the changes. Now your template is ready to use. You'll be able to preview it, send a test mail, send it to a group of contacts, or send it to a particular contact here. To add the contact lists, click on Contacts at the top. Here you can import your list, create a new contact, and manage contact groups. And here's the most interesting part of this tool. We have added 3 cool AI features to make this tool more unique and useful for you. Under the AI Features option, you'll find tools like Email Series, AI Templates, and a Prompt Generator. You can generate an email series for your customers to keep them engaged with your emails. To do that, just enter the details such as name, target audience, topic, etc., and click Generate Series to create an email series. The next AI feature is called AI Templates. With this, you can generate a highly attractive template that looks unique. To generate it, click on Create Template, and then enter all the necessary details such as template name, type, description, category, etc., and then click the Generate Template button below. Within a few seconds, it will provide a template for you. Next, the third feature is called Prompt Generator. With this, you'll be able to create a unique email prompt for your campaigns. Just select the industry, email type, and campaign goal, then click Generate Prompt. Within a few seconds, it will give you unique prompts for your idea. Choose the one you like. When you click on the Settings option at the top, you'll have access to edit your profile information and add the SMTP details, mail delivery settings, and the schedules you've made. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.